Are you comfy? Look. Hi everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a thrift haul for you. I've been owing... Are you done? I have been owing you guys a thrift haul for quite a while, so it's kind of just like from a bunch of different thrift places. So there was a while there where I wasn't doing the thrift hauls in the videos, and so this is kind of like an accumulation of the things that I didn't necessarily haul for you guys. Or some of this stuff is also just from thrifting when I haven't been vlogging. So if I've gone to a thrift store and haven't had my camera and haven't filmed a thrift with me, there might be things from those trips as well. The first thing that I have is this bag. This tote bag is kind of something where if I'm bringing a lot of things with me and if it doesn't fit in my purse, this is the tote bag that I will be bringing, and it has one of my favorite colors on it. It's like this three-toned. This is also really good for a tote, so I don't have to use a plastic bag. But yes, this bag does not just scream me, like someone made this bag for me. Inside, it's just like got this clasp like that, and then there's like a little pocket for like your phone or whatever. And I believe that he was $7.99, so a little bit pricey, but thrift shops here, they're just pricey in general, so $7.99 is actually a pretty good deal. So here's the thing with my bags. I have a simple, like everyday brown purse. It's by Matt & Nat that I love and use every day. This is very important to have because it is, like I said, a tote bag. If I'm ever needing to bring more things than usual, I have this bag. Now, for some reason, my brain thinks I need more bags. Does anybody relate to this? So that being said, I have been on the hunt lately for a macrame bag. And I've been pretty picky because I know that I can't just keep buying bags and bags and bags and never using them because, like I said, I use that one bag every day. I knew that the macrame bag that I was gonna get had to be absolutely perfect. This is the one that I found. It is absolutely stunning. This is like the bag that I had been waiting for. So it has this little like clasp thing there where it just hooks around that beaded little part and opens up like this. And this is my favorite bag ever. Typically you can't get a bag here for under $5.99, like that's very rare, but this was $2.99. That is, I was like, oh my god, yes, that's the bag. And then to see the price, I was like, okay, somebody was looking out for me, but this is the bag. Aren't these two bags just both so me? I've kind of told myself that now I'm not allowed to buy any more bags. I have a tote bag, I have a cute little impractical bag, and I have my everyday bag. No more bags for me. Talking about accessories, I wanted to show you guys this. You guys will remember this hat from my recent thrift with me video where I found this, and I really wanted a hat that had this string in it. Now the hat itself is quite, but what I wanted it for was I wanted it so that it could sit like this. So basically the string just sits like that, and then on your back you have a hat hanging. And it's kind of more like a stupid accessory piece that never really gets worn. I mean, if it got really hot and really sunny, then I could actually use it as a hat. But it's kind of more just like an accessory piece. I think it will look really cute in like little Instagram photos. But yeah, I think it also looks kind of cute when there's a little bit of like hair stuck in it. I got this during the 50% off sale. If you haven't seen that thrift with me, it is up, and I got this for 75 cents. So I was almost like screaming because again, usually hats are like $8.99, $7.99. I don't know why they priced this one so low. Still in the accessory section, I scored this amazing YSL scarf. Has these mini little YSL all over it. That's essentially how I will wear it, like tied around my neck, so the YSL logo is like in the front, and it looks really good when you're wearing like a cowboy hat or something like that. This I got from a vintage store in Toronto, so I paid quite a lot of money for it. It's gold and brown and YSL, and I don't know anything designer, but I just knew I needed to have this in my life. This one is a little bit different. It's still like my color scheme. It looks like this. I don't know if I'm totally in love with this, but I ended up wanting to just get a scarf to like tie around my neck. And I really thought that this color scheme worked, you know, well for my color palette. I think it was like $4.99 for this guy. I think we're gonna quickly go into home decor. This piece is something that I recently got. So he is this amazing gold mirror. It kind of has that old school like window style, like there would be in churches and things like that. I really like this. I wasn't in the market for this at all, but It looks so nice on the dresser in my room, so I'm so happy that I picked this guy up. And then of course on the back, he's just like wooden. This one is part of that Thrift With Me where it was like a full cart full. So this is one of the things that was from that Thrift With Me. Also from that Thrift With Me, I got a cooler. I just thought it was so cool. It's very retro-y looking. Obviously it's just a cooler, but I think it's a little bit old anyways. I got this because I always go down to the beach and bring drinks and stuff. I just thought this would be nice to have to bring down to the beach with me and put some ice in and not have to come up to the house as often. He was $4.99. I also thought he could look pretty cool in some Instagram pics. Don't hate. I think I've talked to you guys in the past about how styling knick-knacky things can typically be a bit of a hard thing to do. So I'm always on the lookout for some knick-knacky things for my room. So two of those that I got, one was this bowl. I just thought that this would look really nice. I have this dresser, it's where that mirror is gonna go, that I've been trying to design for quite a long time. And it always just fails. But I got this bowl, I set him on top of a book, and I just thought it would be cute to put my keys in or something. Yeah, nothing special, just a little bowl. And then another thing that I got as well was this Seashell Dish. There's stuff in it, but if you look on the one side, it's a seashell. And then what I use this for is to store my jewelry in. So I have a pair of earrings, a ring, and I have 2 necklaces in there. I'm not a huge jewelry gal, but I thought that this would be really cute. There are 2 of these on my store if you guys like this as well and you'd like to get yourself a jewelry tray. The store is obviously linked in the down bar. Really like this guy. I think it's kind of a unique take on the jewelry tray kind of thing. Something else I got is this vase in the back here. I'm not going to move it because, I mean, it's so far. But it's essentially just a circle brass vase, and on the inside of that circle there's like a little cut into it where you can like kind of stick plants in or whatever, and I've just stuck in that little, you guys know I like this stuff. I was gonna sell him on the store, but I just fell in love with the way he looks on my night table, so I couldn't. I had to keep him for myself. This is something else I got. I don't know whether to keep this or not. I just loved the color and I thought it was a kind of unique thing. You know, you put little candies in him or something like that. I don't know. Right now he has no home. He's just kind of hanging out. I'm hoping that I'll be able to like find a use for him. I don't know, you could maybe put your soap in him. What do you guys think? What should I use this for? Where should this go in my house? Like I said, I really just like this like burnt ambery color. So I have 2 mismatched salt and pepper shakers, and I really wanted to find 2 that actually matched because I was kind of tired of having ones that didn't. So I ended up finding these guys, and they are the cutest ever. They're little seashells. I absolutely think these are so cute, and I'm so excited to use them into like the whole beach seashell vibe. Just love the beach. I ended up getting myself a pair of earrings. I'm not a big earring fanatic, but when I do see a pair of earrings that call out to me, there's usually a reason why. And I don't know, I just thought that these were a little bit more interesting than your average earring. Maybe it would make me want to wear earrings. Still haven't worn them. So the last piece of home decor that I have been wanting a smaller mirror for my vanity, just because when I do my eyebrows or when I do my mascara, I need to be really close to a mirror, and I've been wanting something that was very unique. I didn't want to just buy one of those typical, you know, circle mirrors with the stand. I wanted something that was unique, and I finally found it. Here she is. I absolutely think that this is so cool, and just everything that I have been looking for in this kind of mirror for a while. The one side of it is a magnified side, and then it flips. This side has to be cleaned, it's a bit dirty. Yeah, you can see it's a bit dirty. And then on that side it's not magnified. I'm so excited with this find. This was $3. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Moving on to clothing, most of this stuff is gonna be probably impossible for me to show you. I have been noticing lately that I don't really have very many tops. So I'll have all these skirts and then no cute tops to wear. So that's something I've been trying to look for lately. I really like the texture and the color of this. It's just like a plain yellow top, and I just thought you could roll it up, tie it up, wear it with a skirt. I wear a lot of skirts lately more than anything. So there's not much to this. It's just a nice kind of top. So while I was in Toronto, I went to a vintage store. You guys saw I got that YSL bandana, and I came across this dress. And I contemplated it for a while. It's a bit too loose on me. I could probably wear it with a belt. I ended up getting it because I don't have any dresses to really wear to like events, if I go to events or things like that. So this is what it looks like on the top. Here you can see my skin through it, but here you can't because there's this kind of really cool like linen-y piece under it. It might not look like much from now, okay? So you go down a little bit and it's still just like that lace pattern. But as you get further down on the dress, you'll start to see these little inserts that are kind of just the same color as this guy. They start getting bigger and bigger, and when you move in this dress, it just looks absolutely stunning because all of these start to open and you see all of them, and it's just such a beautiful dress. So I paid about $100 for this dress, which is quite a lot. I mean, it was at a vintage store, so they did source it and find it and all that good stuff. So I didn't mind paying that, but I think it's absolutely stunning. A very, very cool thing is, I hate to plug the store again, but I must plug the store again here. I have found a dress from an estate sale, and it is super similar to this. So it has a layer under this as well. I think here it's like lace though. It's a bit prettier. It's more of a yellow, and it has the same thing where it has like the two-tiered layers. So if you love this dress, go and check out. Tomorrow it will be launching in the store. The launch is tomorrow, Thursday at 6 p.m. EST. It will be linked on the bottom, but if you like this dress, you're gonna love that. I can't keep both. I was like, you already have one. You need to share the love with somebody else. So yes, if you like this dress, go and get it. And it's going to be cheaper than I paid. I've been trying to bring a little bit more red into my wardrobe lately. It's not easy because I used to be scared of red for so long because when I had pink hair, I just felt like I couldn't really wear red. But I found this jumpsuit, which I feel like I could pull off. It's too big for me, unfortunately, but it has this tie up at the back where if I tie this like pretty tight, I can make it a lot tighter, and I feel like this would look really great in photos as well. It's just such a beautiful color. And it's a pantsuit, so it's not a dress, it's pants. I've been loving tops like this that have the tie-up on them. This one has a bit of like a gold shimmer to it. Obviously, like I'm wearing one like that right now, but I really just think that these are gorgeous. So I got this one. I'm a big fan of the white blouse. I've been looking for another white blouse to add to my collection. The one I have is from Forever 21. It was washed once, so naturally it is now ruined. So I ended up finding this guy, which I think he's really intricate. He's got this little lace overlay, and then this other one that has that little lace detailing. The buttons are kind of like pearls. I needed one desperately, but I didn't want to buy just like a plain white blouse. I wanted something with a little bit of character. So this guy made the cut. The last piece. This guy's gonna be really hard to show you on the hanger, but if you saw my thrift with me, you've already seen this on me. Look at these arms, first of all. Is this not the most like westerny but yet Tasha shirt you've ever seen in your life? Hope to find more like this. Oh my goodness, I love this shirt so much. And that is the thing about thrifting and buying from vintage stores, is that everything I buy I think about so much. Whereas Forever 21 and stores like that, I would just buy and buy and buy. I no longer shop at Forever 21 because the quality is just the worst. The whole fast fashion thing I've been trying to get out of. Obviously it is hard, but there are ways that you can start to go about that by, cutting out one store at a time. That is pretty much everything that I have thrifted in the last little bit for myself. I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting stuff. I've obviously thrifted more than that, but I've started to do the hauls in the video. Hoochie, going to bed, night night. So I've been starting to do the hauls in the thrift videos. Do you guys like that? Would you? Because if I keep doing that, there aren't going to be thrift hauls like this. So please let me know what you prefer. I can switch it up every now and again, but I would like to hear what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching today. It was so nice to hang out and just sit and chill and talk. Looking over here, holy heck, I forgot something. They're sitting right here and I literally forgot them. I bought pillows. I just thought they'd look really cool in the bedroom. Yes, okay, that's it. We're done. I will see you guys in the next video. Hotch says it's time to have a nap. I agree. I love you guys. Bye.